So I'm a little sad I don't have 40 minutes to go over everything I've managed to do with this app because I'm really excited about it and very proud of it. But I'll try to move as quickly as possible because I keep timing out. Let's get started. So this is my home screen. We've got a menu up top, which was done with a gallery where I kind of hard coded all the information in there, like the icon and things like that. And then we've got a few buttons: search, browse, view order history. We'll start with browse. There's a gallery here, and this gallery is filtered by the selection in this other gallery, which shows all of the different categories. You can kind of add to your cart here, do kind of a little quick add if you'd like. So let's say one, you get a little success, and then it kind of goes away. If it's out of stock, it'll let you know, and you can't add it to the cart or anything like that. If you click on an item, this screen pops up, and the size of this gallery adjusts, so you can still access this navigate button here. But you've got all of the product details and the MSRP, employee savings, which is just a math calculation, 20% discount from MSRP, and then employee price. I've also got the average rating because I have a product reviews page, which is fun. If you click here, it opens up a larger version that you can close again, just to kind of get a better image. And then you can add from this screen as well. Close it if you'd like. That adjusts again. Go to search. Pretty similar to the browse screen. It also has the employee details, the product details pop up, but it's the same thing. So I'm not gonna go over it on this page. You can sort by either price or product, which you can also do on the other screen. And then I have one filter text input for several different fields. So if you're looking for something red, you can look at everything red. If you're looking for a category, which is maybe frames, you can do that, etc. And then you can also look at maybe frames that are under $380. It'll filter that and that sort of thing. So we can go to, we already did browse. Let's just add one more thing to our cart. Let's say chain. And you can also do product number and stuff in there. Add to cart, success. So we've got the shopping cart here. This gallery, the data is a collection. The shopping cart collection, you can adjust the quantity here if you need to. I accidentally, meant to get 2. Then it'll adjust the item total. You've got some order summary details, just some calculations with subtotal, tax, shipping, that sort of thing. I also have the employee discount program summary. So say for this example, employees can only purchase up to $5,000 worth of product at the discounted rate. Here's their annual allowance. Here's what they've spent year to date, pulled from the product orders table. Here's the allowance balance. If the order total is greater than the allowance balance, you cannot place the order, and it turns this button becomes disabled, and you get a notification here saying you need to update your cart to remain within budget. Up here we've got the name, email, manager's email. That's all auto-populated from the user's information in the system. We're going to say please approve. We're going to place the order. If you cancel it, it just clears everything, clears the collection. View my orders. So we have order history here, more galleries. So this gallery is filtered. I used the switch formula. So depending on what is selected in the dropdown, it filters differently here. So we've got, all orders, year-to-date approved orders, that sort of thing. If you want to view the order, you select that, it pops up over here. We've got kind of a couple different galleries here. You'll notice a separation right there. And that's because this information is pulled from the product orders table. And this is from the product product items ordered table. I've realized there's kind of a better way to do this, which I'll show you on the approvals tab. And it's a little kind of more concise, takes up less space, a little prettier. We can go to product reviews. This search field is the same search field from the search screen. It's just used to kind of filter a product that you want to either look at the reviews or review. So you can select one. So this one has 3 reviews. It'll show you all the reviews, the average rating. And again, you can filter my reviews, all reviews, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, etc. Or you can submit your own review here, unless you've already submitted one, in which case it won't let you. I added a help screen where, again, this information is pre-populated. And then the subject and the body are kind of populated based on what this says. I have an app suggestion or order issue, and then insert your detailed summary there. If it's urgent, it'll add urgent to the subject line, give you a ticket ID. You can send off the email to me. So we've got kind of a little help portal there. The approvals you can do via email, kind of the standard way, or we created a little approval dashboard here. Again, I love these little drop downs to show the different views: pending, approved, request, rejected, all requests, that sort of thing. So we'll select on one of the pending requests, which is, I believe, the item I just submitted. It'll show you the order details again. This is where I sort of turned gallery into a table by moving the information around. We've got the allowance balance and all that. Sufficient allowance balance, yes. So we'll go ahead and take action. Oh, because this was just created, it hasn't flowed in here yet. Let me go to an older one that I did a little bit ago. Take action. There we go. This order I submitted about 10-20 minutes ago. And I'm going to say approve, add a comment, it looks good. And I can't see because this is blocking it in the recording. Confirm, there we go. Okay, approved. And that won't update immediately here because it takes a while in the flow for it to kind of all go through. But it should update when the person logs back in. I'm going to pause this for a second just to kind of regroup. So here's a few of the emails that I get. This is the, your order's been received. Here are the details of your order. I added a HTML table into it to do the list of the items ordered, which again was very difficult, but exciting when I figured out how to do that. There's the approval request, but we did that through the system instead. The ticket from sort of the help portal. And then once my item was approved, I got an approval email. Now I'm going to pause it again just for one more sec. Okay, 2 more quick things. We've got the manager dashboard here where they can see kind of what categories and items are popular and that sort of thing. They can also look at what the product reviews are looking like for the different items. And they can view the target stock and quantity of stock and the variance and that sort of thing. They can also upload the stock changes via Excel. We've got sort of a linked table here. So you can update, say, the stock. This is actually 115 now. I don't know why this target stock is saying yes. Oh, no. Oh, because I moved the column. Yeah, I'm going to have to move that back because it moved it. Yeah, it moved it back. Anyway, they can add that, click publish, which I'm not going to do because I just realized that I kind of mixed up the subject, the titles. But anyway, you click publish and that just updates it to Power Apps. Now, I don't know how much time I have left.